Veteran politician Okram Joy has refuted the claim of Minister Thaunawjam Basantakumar for asserting that there is no convention for holding 3 assembly sessions in a year. While alleging Minister Basanta of ignorance regarding parliamentary and assembly procedures, Ojoy said rules of procedures and conduct of business for Manipur Legislative Assembly was created under Article 208 of Indian Constitution, and Rule number 17, Clause 1 clearly mentions about holding budget session, autumn session and winter session, that is 3 assembly sessions in a year. While refuting the justification made by Minister Basantakumar by citing Article 174 of Indian Constitution, Ojoy said Article 174 was amended in 1951, and in the amended version it is mentioned that Governor shall from time to time summon the House of State Legislature to meet at such time and place as he thinks fit, but within 6 months from last sitting. Speaking further, Ojoy said it is unfortunate that government is trying to avoid the winter session, as this neglects the need for discussion and deliberation of policies and plans for the welfare of people. He added that the rules of procedures and conduct of business for Manipur Legislative Assembly are also part of Indian Constitution, and non-holding of assembly sessions undermines the wish of people who have elected the MLAs as their representatives.
Assembly MLAs in the main meaning of Masa Manipur no May Chakler and MLA assembly the function to is not the responsibility of this government. Government is responsibility to throw. Low Minister Madukangraman and Kali. Any Kamaga Yai guys, any Pamaya can I don't know. Who says it? Who is that reality? They do not understand this convention, practice, and the tradition, parliamentary culture of the country. Rule law the same to a same doctor, the Saturn Tarina. City am common sense Vani, Barotki, Ning Tamba holding like the Hona. Parliament not the assembly. Upon the meet on the Pamaga, the Pamla, the parliamentary democracy can't no yam, toy in a Pamaga, Miam, the Awamiam, do am, toy in a nine, a bio hybrido. I read the Sangal Labor Porter, like never the rule is a light. I do law minister, even on the Masi Kangum Graman, and the rule do after the Tiaquina. Tradition, culture, convention. Manipur assembly near the family. Yes, okay. And Jaga Masidi procedure law name. The 100 the business something like the business something like the government of them. Yes, we business like the parliamentary system of democracy. The Quaki Musina, House, Parliament, it's a Tatana, Toina Pandana, Canabado, Matuki Pandam Duneba.
Masi governments don't see Lono the Segata Wamakaba, citizens ki Magi, property light, Nanga Maktaba, the Gi, Mato Maktaba. Masi Manipuri can remember area, the Kampo the High, National Highway, the High. Nasi koi mori like dahiga chura sanpur dahiga nasi bunker में आवन सादा साजन ले anytime कोई strike हो में हमसे वो has this government been able to stop this almighty Manipuri side almighty में आदि nasi Manipur kanana we all are engaged in a warlike situation ने बस बरान करी तो ये खंग में मतलब नहीं बस सरा है लसु वारसु नहीं ये सुने तो नसी Manipur नाक तभी आती है is the government doing anything? Is the state government doing anything? Is the government of India doing anything? This is wrong. See, wrongs, ma'am, discussed. This is the main agenda issue which needs to be discussed on the floor of the House. Sahi tere khutapuri hujita sen sati Brian College I aduna masi combined do to the assembly Kobo Matautai, Aru Manipuri issues here. The result of number decision, low with the Manipur, Miami, Apama, Mono, logo than their weapons. See demands in the Thank you very much.